Upgrade your Shopify analytics. Get your most important metrics here, in one place. Don't miss any campaign's contribution with our cross-channel attribution for your every conversion. You may notice the total conversion value is exactly your real sales. No data discrepancies. If you click the number, you get a detailed breakdown of your orders. You now link your every lead customer and order to a single campaign. The result? You won't waste budget on underperforming campaigns. The ads attribution is where you centralize all your ads metrics all together. Most ad networks have data discrepancies with your real number. You can find the errors by comparing Attribuly tracked conversions with ad networks. Ready to get started? It only takes 1 minute to set up. Install free on Shopify.